Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bee's Knees Lacquer Blood Moon and Stamping Plate 0 or O. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Bee's Knees Lacquer Blood Moon. Oh yes, here we go. Love the brush, love the application. This formula is excellent. I am in love with this polish. I'm just going to put that out there real quick. You can already see that flash, that red and gold flash in this. And that's just with one coat. So here we go with our second coat of Blood Moon. Love all the little bitty flakies and all that shimmer. So stunning. There we go. I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so we can do some playing. I'm going to do some advanced stamping today. So nice. This is plate O. And it's huge. And I've got a couple of stampers out for my stamping and my scraper. I'm going to be using On the Black by Bases Loaded Lacquer to stamp with. And I've just decided these little leaf images with the square blocking behind it looked pretty interesting. So we're going to get a couple of those popped out on some stampers. And then we're going to fill them in. Yes, indeed. And do a nice scrape and a quick pickup. Beautiful transfer. Love it. And we're going to do the other one real quick. Just get kind of scrubbing that polish down into all those little nooks and crannies. There we go. Yes, indeed. All right. I think we're ready. I'm going to scrape and I'm going to roll that stamper across. Pick it up. Another beautiful image. I am going to clean this stamper off, this stamping plate off with some acetone. And then I wipe it with a paper towel. I'll be using this orally, and it's called Red Carpet to fill in the design. Beautiful shimmery polish. And I'll be using my What's Up Nails Mermaid O brush. And this is just going along too well. I'm just really excited for this one. I am, like I said, in some of the other videos or videos to come. I never know how I'm going to post them. I'm really getting into the accent nails and leaving a couple of nails with just the base color on them so that I can just enjoy the polish also. I'm working on making that a better habit of mine. And this jellyish, squishy-ish, shimmery polish is just looking so nice on that image. I'm really liking it. Alright. I'm going to flip it over and check it out. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I don't stay 100% in the lines. Got a couple little places to touch up. Just a little bit. A little bit here and a little bit there. But I think for the most part that one's pretty good. And here we go with the other one. And I really enjoy this reverse stamping. And I know a lot of people think it's a lot of work. But if you're just doing a couple of accent nails, it doesn't take long to do just one or two, of these advanced stamped decals to put on your nails. And I think the effect of it looks so pretty on the nail. You guys know I love stamping, but sometimes I want a little more than just a straight up stamped image. And this is where this technique just brings me a lot of happiness. Because you've got, the outline in black, and then you've got the pretty colors that you're filling in with. There we go. Another nice one. Very nice. Alright, I'm going to set them off to the side to dry. Just for a little bit. Oh, I got a little touch up here. But I am going to let these sit aside and dry. Probably about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to use the IMK Sticky Base for helping make sure that these transfer over from the stamper to my nails really well. Mush that down, tap it down with my finger. There we go, looking pretty good. And then now for the second one. Here, we'll line it up and plop it on. Tap, tap, tap with the finger. Alrighty, so now for some cleanup. I'm going to clean the stamper off onto a lint roller, get any of that decal off so the stampers are ready for next time. And I'm going to use this cuticle tool to help break off or cut off some of this extra image, some of this extra decal. And you can see it's coming off pretty well. They're not really crunchy. They're still a little pliable, which is nice for making sure that they kind of lay flat on the table. I mean, on the nail, or on the table. I'm losing my mind, y'all. So I'm tapping across the end to make sure that that's smooth. And then I'm going to get in up underneath and get any glob out from under there that I can. Tap, tap, tap. There we go. And just a very little bit of cleanup. This one wasn't too bad. Wasn't too shabby. Very, very, very careful. I'm the queen of taking off too much, to cleaning it up too much. Here we have it. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that is completely dry, doesn't take very long, I'm going to top them with Poshe top coat to finish them off. And here we go. Nice, glossy, yummy top coat. There we have it. So that is my manicure for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.